Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're well. Something happened, man. Something really weird. Now Blitzen's just chilling here, and the hell? Let me get some proper old guy shoes on. Hang on. The hell? Oh, there they are. Hang on. That's nice. Ever notice, guys, that old guys always have beautiful white leather shoes on, right? Oh no. Yeah, damn. Black socks, white shoes. Hang on. Yeah, so hey, Blitzy, you want to go outside? So, as sure as I'm Blozo, I digress. And I bullshit too. Now, I hope no neighbors are out to screw with me. Hang on, man. Shall we talk for a moment from Piccadilly Lane? That was a shitty attempt. Guys, I've got a problem. I've got several of them, in fact. Now, you could solve one of them by bringing me a case of PBR. A delicious wobbly pop, highly recommended and endorsed by your Uncle Blozo. And oh shit. I hear the boxer. Can you see him? Jump, dude. Jump, dude. Come on. Jump. Piss Blitzy off. Sorry, man. You didn't deserve all that. Now, I've got a problem. I want to build my first loop on ground, right? And I have no experience. And Fred, a friend of mine, and very cool dude, who has achieved greatness in CW and has achieved membership in CW Ops. He's a CW Op. Life is great. I don't give a shit what the FCC does. Now, you may note that I've got the Michigan Silly Stick, and, well, let's take a walk. The bullshit's flowing, man, because William, I blame this on you. Yeah, dear Uncle Blozo's back. Why did I say it like that? What's wrong with me? So, like I was saying, we've got the Michigan Silly Stick. They'll swing it around with the cameras, a new thing. It's a thing. And I've got a 10 meter, so the Silly Stick's for 10 meters. It's a quarter-wave vertical radiator over an excellent ground plane at that frequency. Whew. 10 meter end fed half wave. Now let's take a quick squiz at the feed point. I brought out the double core FT140-43. I believe this guy has 2-turn primary on it, but I'm not sure. I'd have to put my spectacles on, my monocle, and take a quick look. But right? Shit, I don't see anything but my ugly face because of the glare. You want to see my ugly face, man? William, I read your comment. I didn't reply to it because I wanted to come outside and make this video. I'm going to try to reply to the comments tonight. Anyway, like I was saying, 10 meter quarter wave radiator, 10 meter end fed vertical half wave radiator, and the blunder wire connected to little schmo, that union. And oh, am I gonna get beat up on this one, man? So I have three very, very different vertical three very different antennas to use on 10 meters. And I just got that one tuned yesterday, and I haven't had a chance. Well, I've had the chance, but the dang 10/11 meters has been quite pitiful. So I'm going to do a bunch of comparative testing. Initial thoughts, surprising. I'll make another video on it. What surprises me is the blunder wire, the 80-meter end fed, continues to amaze me. It truly does. So my questions to you guys regarding loops on grounds, I'm utterly ignorant. And so the question is, I'm going to tap my screen, see what happens to the brightness. Whoa, yeah, no, that's better. Okay. What do I do, man? Do I wind a balun and feed it at the feed point of the loop, and then run a feed line to the shack? You know, and if I'm going to wind a balun, do I wind it for a 50 to 400 ohm match, or do I wind it for a 450 to 450 ohm match and run open wire feeder to the shack? If I wind it for a 50 ohm feed, do I try using a section of that bright orange CATV coax? It's ultra low loss. It's made for gigahertz frequencies. Might be well worth it. If I put the balun at the feed point and run it coax into the shack, regardless, or if I run open wire feed line to the shack, doesn't matter. You need to use a tuner inside. In my case, I use my Z-Match because of its ultra high Q and attendant low loss, right? I avoid the rig's internal tuner at all costs because it's so broadband and low Q and lossy. They all are. I've shown in a video that by engaging the tuner inside the rig, your radiated signal drops. You can go from a 1.8 to 1 match on my rig and engage the tuner and tune that out, and the power will drop. My field strength meter will drop by going to a 1-to-1 perfect match, right? What do I do, man? Do I wind the balun as a multi-tap primary balun and make it a 4-to-1, a 5-to-1, a 6-to-1, a 7-to-1, and an 8-to-1 multi-tap balun, and feed it with my CATV coax and use the Z-Match? Do I make a multi-tap balun and feed it with 50 ohm coax and try to get away without using the Z-Match by selecting the closest, by seeing if I can find a suitable tap on a multi-tap balun? Ooh, the mossies have attacked. I'm standing in the shade. And, oh man, I feel like my son. Oh man, I feel like Blozo. What you growling at, son? What you growling? Oh, you're so pretty. Look, you want to say hi, fellas? Show them your pretty blues. Show them your pretty blues, Blitzy Blue. I call him Blitzy Blue because he's so emotional. He needs a lot of human interaction. His breed does, as a rule, but Blitzen in particular, because of his failed rehoming and then Kyle and my subsequent being adopted by Blitzen. I was going to bring you guys an outro by Alice in Chains. Show you another clip that I used to love to sing, and I could pull it off quite nicely. Oh, how I wanted a Shure SM7, what was it, B? Yeah, a Shure SM7B. And my daughter has a Marshall cabinet stack and a Fender head. Borrow that, buy that mic, find some kind of audio processing. Let them try to evict me. But I'm filled with too much peace. That's a tall dude right there. Scares me. Filled with too much peace, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I feel like me, man. I'm feeling too at ease, man. I'm gonna bring you an outro. Okay. And it's the first song I ever saw played on a guitar by my cousin David. I was 7 years old. The song is Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. The guitarist, the mega talented Gabriella 9797. It's going to be a beautiful summer, guys. Take care. 73. Here comes the sun.